welcome to this session. Today we will do MCQs on the topic that is industrial sector in Indian economy, and this will be the second part of this topic. So if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, so you can subscribe the channel, and if you subscribe then don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session with the first question. The question is CRISIL. So you have to tell that what is the function of CRISIL. A option is promotes exports. B option is provides finance to the rural sector. C option is provides financial assistance to the industry. And D option is evaluates the credit position of the companies. तो जो क्रेसिल का फंक्शन रहता है वो रहता है टू इवेल्युएट द क्रेडिट पोजीशन ऑफ द कंपनीज. दैट इज ऑप्शन डी विल बी द राइट आंसर. और आपको इसकी फुल फॉर्म भी याद रख लेनी है. सो क्रिसिल स्टैंड्स फॉर क्रेडिट रेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विसेज ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री इज यंग इंडिया फॉर्म इज एसोसिएटेड विद. A option is CII, B option is FIEO, C option is FICCI, and D option is ASSOCHAM. So right answer will be option A, that is CII, that is Confederation of Indian Industry. Next question is which of the following is given most importance in the index of 8 core industries. A option is coal production, B is electricity generation, C option is fertilizer production, and D option is steel production. So जो 8 core industries में जो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दी गई है वो दी गई है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन को. तो ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. और आपको जो है अच्छे से याद रखनी है कि 8 core industries में कौन कौन सी आपके जो है इंडस्ट्री आती हैं. तो दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, स्टील मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, रिफाइनरी प्रोडक्ट्स, क्रूड ऑयल, कोल, सीमेंट, नेचुरल गैस, एंड 8th one is the fertilizer. Okay. Next question is Bhilai Steel Plant is a black enterprise. A option is public, B is private, C option is cooperative, and D option is joint public-private. So Bhilai Steel Plant is an example of a public enterprise. That is option A will be the right answer. Next question is the oldest large industry of India is. A option is cotton textile, B is iron and steel, C option is jute, and D option is paper. So the oldest industry of India is cotton textile. That is option A is the right answer. Next question is the most significant small scale industry in India is. A option is textile industry, B is paper industry, C is handloom industry, and D option is jute industry. So जो small scale industry के अंदर आती है वो है handloom industry is the most significant. Next question is golden handshake scheme in India is associated with. A option is voluntary retirement, B option is Indian gold traders, C option is foreign gold traders in India, and D option is promotion to gold trade. So right answer is option A, that is voluntary retirement. Next question is the most important fisheries industry in India is. A option is deep sea, B is off coast, C option is culture inland, and D option is natural inland. So right answer is option B, that is off coast. Next question is the first industry to evolve in India is. A option is cottage industry, B is cement industry, C option is iron and steel industry, and D option is engineering industry. So right answer is option A, that is cottage industry. Next question is in which of the following public sector enterprise does the government have 100% share capital? A option is BSNL, B option is NTPC, C option is BHEL, and D option is State Bank of India. So right answer is option A, that is BSNL. BSNL कंपनी में जो है गवर्नमेंट का 100% शेयर है. Next question is which of the following brings out the consumer price index number for industrial workers? A option is the Reserve Bank of India, B is Department of Economic Affairs, C option the Labour Bureau, and D option the Department of Personnel and Training. So right answer is option C, that is the Labour Bureau. Next question is HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, is associated with the production of. A option is telecommunication equipments, B is aircrafts, C option is space missile, and D option is war missile. So the right answer is option B, that is aircrafts. Next question is who among the following determines the oil prices in India? A option is the Finance Ministry, B is the concerned state government, C option the Petroleum Ministry, and D option is oil companies. So the oil prices in India are determined by the oil companies. That is option D is the right answer. Next question is the industry Nipanagar is known for is. A option is cement, B is fertilizer, C option is handloom, and D option is newsprint. So right answer is option D, that is newsprint. Next question is the concept of Navratna is associated with A option the selected group of technical manpower, B option is selected export oriented units, C option the selected food processing industries, and D option is selected enterprises of the public sector. So the concept of Navratna is associated with the selected enterprises of the public sector. That is option D is the right answer. Next question is the public sector enterprise included among the Navratnas is A option is SAIL, B is GAIL, C option is MTNL एंड डी ऑप्शन इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो कौन सी कंपनी है जिसको जो है नवरत्नास कंपनी के अंदर इंक्लूड किया गया है, राइट? तो इसका आंसर आएगा दैट इज ऑप्शन सी MTNL. अब इंडिया में जो है अभी तक जो है टोटल 12 महारत्ना कंपनीज हैं, 12 कंपनीज हैं जिनको महारत्नास का स्टेटस दिया गया है. 14 कंपनीज आर नवरत्ना और 74 जो है मिनी रत्ना कंपनीज हैं अंडर कैटेगरी 1 एंड कैटेगरी 2, राइट? तो आप एक चीज कर सकते हो, अगर इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आता है तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि महारत्नास के अंदर जो है कौन कौन सी कंपनीज आती हैं और नवरत्नास के अंदर जो है कौन सी 14 कंपनीज हैं, राइट? मिनी रत्ना का याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं, अगर आपको ये दो याद रख लेती हो तो आपको जो है ऑटोमेटिकली पता चल जाएगा कि रिमेनिंग कौन सी है मिनी रत्ना कंपनी. सो हेयर आई मेंशन ऑल द 12 महारत्नास कंपनी. आप इनको एक बार देख सकते हो, मैंने इनका फाउंडिंग ईयर भी साथ में लिखा हुआ है. और यहाँ पर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है, मे भी पूछ सकते हैं कि कौन सी ऐसी फर्स्ट कंपनी है जिसको जो है महारत्ना का स्टेटस मिला था. तो वो थी आपकी भेल, दैट इज भारत हैवी इलेक्ट्रिकल्स लिमिटेड. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच इज द फाइनेंशियल ईयर इन विच द डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रॉम पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेज बिगेन. ए ऑप्शन इज 1990 to 91, B option is 1991 to 92, C option is 1992 to 93, and D option is 1993 to 94. So right answer is option D, that is 1991 to 92. Next question is which of the following is the largest commercial organization of the public sector in India. A option is Food Corporation of India, B option is Mineral and Metal Trading Corporation, C option is Khadi and Rural Industries Corporation, and D option is Indian Trade Fair Authority. The right answer is option B, that is Mineral and Metal Trading Corporation. Next question is the Disinvestment Commission was set up in India in which year? A option is 1996, B option is 1992, C option is 1994, and D option is 1976. So right answer is option A, that is 1996. Next question is BIFR is associated with. A option is restructuring and financing SIC units, B option is regulation of the procedures of share market, C option is consumer protection, and D option is regulation of banking function. So BIFR is associated with the restructuring and financing the SIC industries. और आपको जो है BIFR की फुल फॉर्म भी याद रख लेनी है, दैट इज इट स्टैंड्स फॉर बोर्ड फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल एंड फाइनेंशियल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टूरिज्म एंड होटल इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया. ए ऑप्शन इज AAI, B ऑप्शन इज ITDC, C ऑप्शन इज ITC, एंड D ऑप्शन इज HIC. So the right answer is option B, that is ITDC, that is Indian Tourism Development Corporation. Next question is core sector means. A option is iron steel, B is defense, C option is agriculture, and D option is select basic industry. So core sector means that is to select basic industry, that is option D is the right answer. Next question is which sector has the highest weightage in the industrial production index. A option is mining, B is electricity, C option is manufacturing, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option C, that is manufacturing industry has the highest weightage in the industrial production index. Next question is the definition of small scale industry in India is based on. A option is market share, B is sales volume, C option is investment, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option C, that is investment. Next question is a limited company means. A option is a registered company, B option is a company under government ownership, C option is in which the responsibility of a shareholder is limited to its paid up capital, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option C, that is limited company means in which the responsibility of a shareholder is limited to its paid up capital. That is option C is the right answer. Next question is in which year was the Competition Commission of India, that is CCI, established. A option is 2002, B option is 2003, C option is 2004 and D option is 2005. So CCI was established in the year 2003. That is option B is the right answer. Next question is, which is the second largest agro-based industry in India? A option is sugar industry, B jute industry, C option cotton industry, and D option none of these. So second largest agro-based industry is sugar industry. That is option A is the right answer. और first agro-based industry कौन सी है largest? वो है textile industry. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is reserved for the public sector? First one is the railway, second is telecommunication, third one is the nuclear energy, and fourth one is the thermal energy. So, which is a public sector? So, the right answer is option C, that is railway and nuclear energy. Next question is, the government grants status to central public sector enterprises based upon the profit from the given below, which is not a status of the company. प्रीवियस हमने देखा दैट कंपनीज को जो है स्टेटस दिया जाता है महारत्ना, नवरत्ना एंड मिनी रत्ना का. वो किस बेस पे दिया जाता है? क्वेश्चन से क्लियर हो रहा है दैट अपॉन द बेसिस ऑफ द प्रॉफिट. ओके, तो यहाँ पर बताना है कि कौन सा जो है उसका मतलब कंपनी को स्टेटस, कंपनी का स्टेटस नहीं है. तो ये सभी ही हैं. तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज नन ऑफ दिस. इट मीन्स आंसर आएगा ऑल ऑफ द अबव. महारत्ना स्टेटस भी दिया जाता है, नवरत्ना भी, और मिनी रत्ना स्टेटस भी दिया जाता है कैटेगरी 1 एंड कैटेगरी 2 के अंडर. तो महारत्ना कंपनी कितनी है? टोटल 12 है, नवरत्ना 14 और मिनी रत्ना कंपनी जो है 73 है अंडर कैटेगरी 1 एंड कैटेगरी 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, कंपनीज आर अवॉर्डेड नवरत्ना स्टेटस बाय. ए ऑप्शन इज द यूनियन इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर, बी ऑप्शन इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, सी ऑप्शन इज द सेंट्रल सेक्रेटरीट एंड डी ऑप्शन इज सेंट्रल पब्लिक एंटरप्राइज डिपार्टमेंट. So right answer is option D, that is Central Public Enterprise Department. Next question is, which of the following is a tertiary activity? A option is marketing, B is manufacturing, C option is forestry, and D option is agriculture. So right answer is option A, that is marketing. Marketing या सर्विसिंग का जो सेक्टर, सर्विसिंग जो होती है वो आती है tertiary activity के अंडर. Next question is, when was the Tourism Development Corporation of India founded? A option is 1st December 1970, B is 1st October 1965, C option is 1st October 1960, and last option is 1st October 1966. So right answer is option D, that is 1st October 1966. Next question is, when was the Small Industries Development Organization established? A option is 1956, B is 1951, C option is 1950, and D option is 1954. So right answer is option D, that is 1954. Next question is, where was the largest petroleum refinery of India situated? A option is Jamnagar, B is Barauni, C option is Mumbai, and D option is Mathura. तो जो largest petroleum refinery है इंडिया की वो situated है जामनगर, that is जामनगर petroleum refinery, वो पड़ती है गुजरात में. Next question is, which industry in India employs the largest number of women? A option is rubber industry, B is textile industry, C option is tea industry, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is tea industry. Next question is, which is the largest iron and steel factory of India? A option is Bokaro, B is Bhilai, C option is Durgapur, and D option is Rourkela. So right answer is option A, that is Bhilai steel plant, जो है छत्तीसगढ़ में. And second one is the Bokaro steel plant. Next question is, Drishti 2025 is related to. A option is increase in food production, B is global temperature, C option is stabilization of population, and D option is industrial development. So Drishti 2025 is related to the increase in food production. That is option A is the right answer. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you love the content. So please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session guys. Till then, bye bye and take care.